Hi students, today in our class we are going to refer a general paper of KSET, some questions of previous year paper. Let's start our class. The first question is, what is a summative evaluation? The answer is basically an impact study. The next question is, evaluation is different from measurement. If so, how? The answer is comprehensive process of judging. The next question is, UGC has called teachers as what? The answer is facilitators. The next question is, characteristics of effective learning. The answer is sharing knowledge, questioning, curiosity. What does credit means in CBSE system? The answer is number of teaching hours. The next question is, which is the most effective mode of learning in the present days? The answer is face to face learning. Which state has the maximum mangrove vegetation in India? The answer is West Bengal. The next question is, the natural disaster management authority functions under the Union Minister of. The answer is Home Affairs. The next question is, where is the headquarters of Zoological Society of India? The answer is in Mumbai. The next question is, Wildlife Protection Act came into force in. The answer is 1972. The next question is, the appropriative purpose of learning is modification of behavior. The next question is, which is the most efficient method of teaching? The answer is student centric. The next question is, special education courses are controlled by Rehabilitation Council of India. Name the women's empowerment program initiated by the central government in the year 1989. The answer is Mahila Samakhya. The next question is, ASIC stands for, you have to write the full form here, application specific integrated circuit. Who established Seva in Gujarat? The answer is Ela Bhatt. Jnana Dhwani community radio is located in which place? The answer is HD Kote. Fly ash means, the answer is fly ash means produced by the thermal power plant. MIPS stands for million instruction per second. The next question is, the first virtual university of India came up in Tamil Nadu. The first ever FM service were started in India on July 23rd, 1977. Employment news is published by the publisher of Yojana. The next question is, name the official public broadcaster of the country. The answer is Prasara Bharati Corporation. Indian Press Council consists of, the answer is, you have to write the number of members, and the answer is chairman and 28 other members. In India, the next question is, in India, whoever defames another person shall be punishable with, the answer is imprisonment of 2 years or with fine or with both. Expand RUSA. The full form of RUSA is Rashtriya Utchar Mishai Shikshan Abhiyan. Higher education. The next question is, higher education in India is the responsibility of state and central government. United Nations International Strategy for Disaster Reduction was established in, the year is 1999. The next question is 10 plus 2 plus 3 as a common structure of education is recommended by which commission? The answer is Kothari Commission in 1964 to 66. So these are the questions of previous paper first or general paper of KCET exam. Thanks for listening.